Hello and welcome to AI Turkmenistan news on Atavatan TV. Let's get started with today's top stories. EU Commissioner Joseph Sikela. Partnership with Turkmenistan is strengthening. Joseph Sikela, the European Union Commissioner for International Partnerships, reaffirmed the EU's commitment to increasing cooperation within the Global Gateway Strategy as he completed his strategic visit to Turkmenistan. During the meetings, discussions focused on strengthening Turkmenistan's integration into regional and global economic networks, transport connectivity, renewable energy, and trade facilitation. The strategic importance of the Trans-Caspian Transport Corridor was emphasized. Commissioner Sikela visited Turkmenbashi port, confirming the EU's support for infrastructure modernization and regulatory harmonization. The main agenda topics of the visit were energy and climate cooperation, and Turkmenistan's participation in the Global Methane Pledge was welcomed. Within the framework of EU-Turkmenistan cooperation, two significant initiatives were launched: a 6 million project to support Turkmenistan's accession to the World Trade Organization, WTO, and a 4.5 million program aimed at developing renewable energy and reducing methane emissions. The EU's technical and financial support aims to enhance Turkmenistan's alignment with international trade and environmental standards. President of Turkmenistan receives EU Commissioner. President of Turkmenistan Serdar Berdimuhamedov received the European Union Commissioner for International Partnerships, Joseph Sikela. During the meeting, the successful development of political, economic, and diplomatic cooperation between Turkmenistan and the European Union was emphasized. Special attention was given to the importance of relations within the Central Asia-European Union format, and it was noted that joint projects in energy, environment, science, education, and transportation continue to progress. Addressing Turkmenistan's strategic location, President Berdimuhamedov highlighted the importance of developing north-south and east-west transport corridors. In this context, he noted that the Turkmenbashi International Seaport plays a crucial role in facilitating regional trade, enhancing access to the Black Sea coasts, Europe, the Middle East, and the Asia-Pacific region. Baherden Ceramic Products Factory opened. As part of the goal to transform Turkmenistan into a strong industrial state, the opening of new production facilities continues. In this context, on March 12, 2025, the Baherden Ceramic Products Factory was inaugurated with a grand ceremony in the Baherden district of Ahal province. The opening ceremony was attended by the President of Turkmenistan, along with the Chairperson of the Parliament, Deputy Chairpersons of the Cabinet of Ministers, representatives from relevant ministries and sectors, as well as local officials. The factory built by Aziz Doganlar will significantly boost industrial and construction production capacity. Spanning 30 hectares, the facility is equipped with advanced technology imported from Italy, Germany, and Turkey. It has an annual production capacity of 3.3 million square meters of ceramic tiles and 120,000 sanitary ware products. While 93% of the raw materials used in production are sourced domestically, the factory will also contribute to regional employment by creating more than 450 jobs. During the opening ceremony, representatives from the Italian companies SACMI Imola Società Cooperativa and Associazione Costruttori Italiani Macchine Attrezzature per Ceramica confirmed that the factory fully complies with international standards for quality, environment, health, and safety, presenting official certification. The first ever international fashion show in Ashgabat to be broadcast on Fashion TV. For the first time, Ashgabat, the capital of Turkmenistan, will host an international fashion show from March 17 to 19, 2025. Organized as part of the 17th anniversary of the Union of Industrialists and Entrepreneurs of Turkmenistan, the event will bring together leading figures in the fashion world. The show will feature designs that blend traditional Turkmen patterns with modern styles. Additionally, renowned fashion designers from Italy, Morocco, France, and Oman will present their collections to fashion enthusiasts. This prestigious event will receive extensive international coverage, including broadcasts on Fashion TV, Al Arabiya TV, and Al Dubai Arabiya TV. It will also be featured in globally renowned fashion magazines such as Vanity Fair, Vogue, Marie Claire Arabia, Grazia, Hello Russia, and Elle. The event aims to establish Ashgabat as a significant hub in the international fashion industry. That's all for AI Turkmenistan news. Don't forget to follow us for more updates. See you next time.